In this video, I will create a tutorial on how to convert text into speech for free. Let's do it. The first step is to type Audacity or into your search bar. Select the one at the top. Then choose the one for your Windows if you're using a computer. After the download is successful, proceed to install the application. And this is the initial interface of the application. The first step, don't forget to set up the audio. Host Windows Wasabi. Playback, device headphones because I using this. And recording, device headphones because I using this. Then no key. Next, prepare the text you want to convert into speech. Using Google Translate. And go back to the Audacity application, then select Record. And click on the speaker icon in Google Translate.
How to change writing or text to sound for free, and here's how. Please try it. Don't forget subscribe, like and share, y'all.
And here is the result of converting.
How to change writing or text to sound for free, and here's how. Please try it. Don't forget subscribe, like and share, y'all.
Then export and save the file. Feel free to give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and share.